Hey y'all, Midnight Soul 13. Um, yeah, just thought I'd get on here and do my thing, which I don't know what that might be. Sitting here looking at the clouds as usual. You gotta have the purdy. Well, how's y'all's day going? It's kind of windy here. Ugh, I don't know if y'all know this, but it's hot. It's hot up in here. Mm, it's all kinds of stuff up there to look at. Yep. Ugh, well, whatever. We gotta do what we gotta do. So, y'all okay? Y'all having hot weather or cool weather? Now it's hot right now. Look, there's a kind of a heart. But this weekend, if they don't change the forecast like, they always do, we're supposed to get rain. And I think Friday is supposed to be like 60 something. And then be in the low 60s, middle 60s over the weekend. I'm like, oh, we need rain now. It's coming. I mean, my head is like telling me that. And then the last couple nights I've been out here, you can smell the rain. All you can smell right now is pollen during the day. Yeah, y'all get outside if you can, if it ain't raining or snowing wherever you might be. Get outside and enjoy it. Because, baby, let me tell you, you only live once in this lifetime. So get out there and enjoy. If y'all are working, when you get off, if you ain't too tired, go outside and enjoy nature. What better things are they